Hey guys, my name is Courtney, but you probably know me better as the Flipping Nomad. I am so excited to share that Keystone RV Company and myself have officially joined forces. The months of August and September are going to be huge months for the Montana brand, and while I can't tell you everything, one thing that I can share is that Keystone and I have teamed up to build an insane one-off Montana. So you know how they build concept cars? This is going to be a concept RV. We are completely blowing the roof off of everything that has ever been known within the RV industry, and we are pushing the limits to new heights. I have completely redesigned the blueprints and the interior design and even the exterior design of this 3791 Montana. It is truly going to be a one of a kind and like nothing else that has ever rolled down the highway. My team and I are packing up our trucks and heading to Goshen, Indiana, where we will spend 2 months at the Keystone RV headquarters building this insane concept Montana. Everything is going to be documented on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, so you'll be able to come along for the entire process. On September 10th, I'm going to be showing some very exciting updates that the Montana designers have been working very hard on, so you're not going to want to miss that. Also, while I'm in Goshen, Indiana, Keystone and I will be welcoming the Montana Owners Club at their annual rally. This is the biggest rally they've ever had, and it's sold out at 400 people. The club will get to see my personal Montana as well as get a sneak peek into the concept Montana. I am so excited to have this partnership with Keystone RV Company. Together, we're about to make history.